Entrepreneurship Crash Course, Operations and Supply Chain Management. Introduction. Welcome to the Entrepreneurship Crash Course on Operations and Supply Chain Management. In this comprehensive guide, we will delve into the fascinating world of managing operations and supply chains to ensure business efficiency and customer satisfaction. Operations and supply chain management play a critical role in entrepreneurship, as they involve the coordination of various processes, resources, and activities to deliver products and services effectively. Through captivating stories, examples, and a list of top techniques, we will equip you with the knowledge and strategies to optimize your operations and supply chain. Let's embark on this journey of operational excellence together. Section 1: The Power of Efficient Operations and Supply Chains. Story 1: Toyota's Lean Manufacturing. Toyota revolutionized the automotive industry with its lean manufacturing principles. By eliminating waste, optimizing production processes, and implementing just-in-time inventory management, Toyota achieved remarkable efficiency, reduced costs, and improved customer value. Example 1: Amazon's fulfillment network. Amazon's success can be attributed, in part, to its robust operations and supply chain management. With strategically located fulfillment centers, advanced inventory management systems, and optimized logistics, Amazon has set new standards in fast and reliable product delivery. Example 2: Zara's fast fashion model. Zara, a global fashion retailer, has disrupted the industry with its agile supply chain and fast fashion approach. By closely monitoring market trends, quickly producing new designs, and efficiently distributing products, Zara can deliver the latest fashion trends to customers at a rapid pace. Section 2: Top 12 Operations and Supply Chain Management Techniques/Methods. 1. Demand forecasting. Utilize historical data, market trends, and customer insights to forecast demand accurately. This enables efficient production planning, inventory management, and resource allocation. 2. Inventory management. Implement inventory control techniques such as just-in-time, JIT, inventory, economic order quantity, EOQ, and ABC analysis to optimize inventory levels, reduce carrying costs, and ensure product availability. 3. Quality management. Adopt quality management principles like Six Sigma or Total Quality Management, TQM, to improve product quality, minimize defects, and enhance customer satisfaction. 4. Process optimization. Streamline operations through process mapping, eliminating bottlenecks, and implementing process improvement methodologies such as Lean Six Sigma. This enhances efficiency, reduces waste, and increases productivity. 5. Supplier relationship management. Develop strong relationships with suppliers to ensure timely and reliable delivery of materials. Collaborate closely with suppliers, negotiate favorable terms, and establish mutually beneficial partnerships. 6. Logistics and distribution. Optimize the logistics network, including transportation, warehousing, and distribution channels. Implement efficient routing, track shipments, and leverage technology to enhance supply chain visibility. 7. Technology integration. Leverage technology solutions, such as enterprise resource planning, ERP, systems, supply chain management software, and data analytics tools to streamline operations, improve visibility, and make data-driven decisions. 8. Risk management. Identify and mitigate risks associated with operations and the supply chain. Develop contingency plans, diversify suppliers, and monitor potential disruptions to minimize their impact on business continuity. 9. Continuous improvement. Promote a culture of continuous improvement by encouraging employee involvement, conducting regular performance evaluations, and implementing feedback loops to drive innovation and operational excellence. 10. Lean manufacturing. Implement lean principles to reduce waste, improve efficiency, and enhance overall productivity. Techniques such as value stream mapping, 5S, and Kaizen can optimize processes and eliminate non-value-added activities. 11. Sustainability and corporate social responsibility. Integrate sustainable practices into operations and supply chain management. Embrace environmentally friendly processes, ethical sourcing, and social responsibility initiatives to create a positive impact on society. 12. Performance measurement and key performance indicators, KPIs. Define and track relevant KPIs to monitor operational performance and supply chain effectiveness. Metrics such as on-time delivery, order accuracy, and inventory turnover provide insights for continuous improvement. Section 3, Summary. Effective operations and supply chain management are vital for entrepreneurial success. By leveraging efficient techniques such as demand forecasting, lean manufacturing, and technology integration, entrepreneurs can optimize their operations, enhance customer satisfaction, and achieve a competitive advantage. Embracing a culture of continuous improvement and sustainability will pave the way for long-term success in a rapidly changing business landscape. Poem. In the realm of entrepreneurship, where dreams take shape. Operations and supply chain management, a tapestry we drape. From Toyota's lean manufacturing to Zara's fashion flair. Let's explore techniques that will make your operations rare. Forecasting demand with precision, a vital task. Balancing supply and demand, no questions to ask. Inventory management, optimizing stock. Just-in-time or oak, a well-balanced lock. Quality management, the pursuit of perfection. Six Sigma and TQM, ensuring no rejection. Process optimization, efficiency we seek. Mapping the flow, continuous improvement we tweak. Building strong supplier relationships, a bond we create. Timely delivery and trust, a foundation so great. Logistics and distribution, the threads that connect. Efficient routing and tracking, no shipment neglect. Technology integration, a digital embrace. ERP systems and analytics, operations in grace. Risk management, foreseeing the unknown. Contingency plans and resilience, seeds we've sown. Lean manufacturing, waste we eliminate. Value stream mapping, continuous we iterate. Sustainability and responsibility, a guiding star. Ethical practices and social impact, shining from afar. Performance measurement, KPIs on our side. Tracking progress and growth, with no place to hide. Operations and supply chain, the heartbeat of success. Embark on this journey, your business will impress. Song. Verse 1. In the world of entrepreneurship, where dreams take flight. Operations and supply chain, a beacon of light. From Toyota's efficiency to Zara's fashion trend. Let's uncover techniques that will help you transcend. Chorus. Demand forecasting, inventory control. Quality management, streamlining the whole. Supplier relationships, logistics in sync. Technology integration, a seamless link. Verse 2. Process optimization, reducing waste. Lean manufacturing, a steady pace. Sustainability and CSR, making a mark. Continuous improvement, igniting the spark. Chorus. Demand forecasting, inventory control. Quality management, streamlining the whole. Supplier relationships, logistics in sync. Technology integration, a seamless link. Bridge. Risk management, resilience we find. Performance measurement, the metrics that bind. Operations and supply chain, the heart of the game. With these techniques, success we claim. Chorus. Demand forecasting, inventory control. Quality management, streamlining the whole. Supplier relationships, logistics in sync. Technology integration, a seamless link. Outro. In this crash course on operations and supply chain, we've explored the strategies that bring success to your domain. Implement these techniques, watch your business grow. Efficiency and customer satisfaction will surely flow. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. AID = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for supporting our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.